Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will compare two lenses. It's going to be an ultra wide angle lenses for Sony APS-C E-mount, and the first one is Tamron 11-20mm f2.8, and the second one is Sony 11mm f1.8. On the first side you can see that Sony is significantly smaller and it's of course lighter. Also we can see the front element size, the filter thread size is bigger on Tamron, it's 67, and we've got a 55mm filter thread on Sony 11mm in the front element. Both of them are weather sealed, but in terms of this weather sealing, I think that Tamron rubber gasket in the back of the lens right here is a bit bigger, thicker, so it looks a little bit better. Okay, and we can see right now the difference on the 11mm, because Tamron has to be fully extended to be 11mm, and Sony is 11mm alone. And on the 11mm from Sony we've got AF and manual focus switch, and we've got a focus hold button, and on the Tamron, as you can see, we've got no switches or buttons on its body. And at the beginning we will compare 11mm right here. So now we've got a Tamron, and before it was a Sony, and here we can see that the Sony is a little bit wider, and but on the other side we've got 20mm on Tamron, so we can zoom a little bit with Tamron, and we've got once again the difference between 11mm on Sony and 11 on Tamron, which is Tamron not wide as Sony. And we've got also 11 and 20mm difference, and also we can see right here how it looks in a video to use clear image zoom on Sony 11mm. And when you will zoom in with this clear image zoom, we've got equivalent of about 24mm of full frame. So you can also think about this to using this in that way. And right now I would like to tell you about something interesting, because imagine that this lens is mounted on a camera, and the Tamron is a much longer lens, and it goes more to the front, and when the camera is on a tripod and we are in a close-up situation, Tamron is much closer to the subject, and right here we will see the difference in perspective. It's Sony 11mm from the same place like Tamron. The camera is mounted on a tripod, not moving at all, and the lens makes the difference. So it's kind of interesting, and I think that you can consider while using it. And right now we can see minimum focus distance, which is much better on Tamron. It's more like almost like a macro lens, and both of them are very sharp on a minimum focus distance. So we can give a point for both of them. And now we can see the difference between f1.8 on Sony and 2.8 on Tamron. So all the camera settings are the same, and it's a clear difference between f1.8 and f2.8, and we can see this side by side. So you can see that f2.8 is visibly darker than f1.8. So if you want to do a low light photography, I think Sony is for you. And let's compare the stars of the f11. I think that the star on a Tamron looks better and more clear for me. And the next thing that we will see is, right now you can see the Sony 11mm with active steady shot from Sony A6700, and I was recording this with handheld mode, so I was just holding in a hand and walking by, and as you can see it's looking very good. And right now you can see the footage. I was walking in the exactly same way, exactly same settings, but right now we can see footage from Tamron 11-20mm. So we can see that active steady shot from Sony A6700 works much better with Sony 11mm. So it's a native lens, and maybe it's something like that Sony made. This active steady shot works better with native lenses. I don't know, it's some kind of theory only, but we can see clearly that it's working almost perfect with Sony lens. And in the next clip we will see, I would like to check if we can see some chromatic aberration in here in high contrast situation, but in general in any of this lens I cannot see any chromatic aberration at all in a high contrast situation, so bravo for both of them. And again, let's take a look at sharpness at both of lenses. I think that they are both very sharp from wide open, so it's also not a huge difference. Okay guys, and I hope that you like this video. I hope that this video will help you in decide which lens you will choose in a past. If you already have one, please let me know in the comment section below. If you like one, also please let me know. And guys, I thank you for watching. I hope that you will like, subscribe and comment below. And that's it from me. If you have any question about these lenses, please also comment below. And that's everything from me for today. Thank you, see ya.